Yeah, I'm making this video. Hopefully I can help somebody out. This is my friend's DJI Mavic Air, first generation. He was having this issue where he kept getting the message that you see on your screen right now. Wouldn't let him take off. We did a compass calibration as well as the IMEU, and nothing was working. And the gimbal was doing this weird thing where it just kept going up and down, up and down. So I figured I just replaced the ESC completely, and hopefully that fixes our problem. We're gonna open it up and see if you have the same issue. And just to give you a heads up, you might want to check out a different video if you don't know how to open this drone, because I completely butchered this video up, man. So yeah, I missed a lot of details on the teardown of this drone. This is mainly just to show you what was wrong with my drone, and then maybe that can help you decide whether you need an ESC or not. You know, and if you have the same symptoms as mine, then you at least have like a good direction as to where to go with your repair. So you're gonna want to remove this top shell, and the way you do that is there's like 6 little clips that I'm pointing out right now, those little long clips. You just gotta stick like a pry tool, and it's not like a pry, it's more like a push in clip, if that makes sense. And yeah, you have to do that all the way around. It's like 6 of those clips, and there's a total of 10 Phillips screws all around the aircraft. You might want to take your time when lifting this upper piece up, because there's a piece of tape holding the gimbal's ribbon cable, and you could easily rip up some of the connections if you just yank it all crazy. And then after that, you just have to remove all the little connections from the ribbon cables attached to the top board, and very gently take that board off. But for me, right off the bat, what I seen was a really crappy job at soldering this cables back together, because it looks like to me that they must have broke an arm and then replaced it, but did a really crappy job at soldering this back together. But don't get me wrong, like I get it. Like, you know, they're most likely just excited to get this thing going again, and you know, they're just trying to see it turn on. You know what I mean? Because I've been there before. But yeah, that's exactly what's wrong with this drone. One of the connections came off, which was from the motors, I think, the black connection you see here. But yeah, all the insulation was kind of burnt up to the core, and yeah, there's a piece of solder right here between these 2 wires, as well as a strand of cable just laying there, dude. I'm surprised this thing did not short out. But anyways, I'm gonna have to desolder these out, clean it up a little bit, and you know, cover it with some circuit solder mask. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it back together, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the fix, because I know that ESC is correlated with the motors or speed controller. Is it? I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the issue, man. But I'm gonna hold on to this ESC that I got from eBay, because I don't feel like returning it, honestly, and I feel like, you know, maybe he'll need it down the way. So hopefully this video was able to help you out. Right now I'm gonna fast forward through all this because it's just me soldering this back together, and check out to the end of the video so you can see the repair. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Yeah, and real quick, if you stood to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And if this video was able to help you out, let me know, man, in the comments down below, or let me know what kind of videos you want to see, man, because I'm gonna be posting more videos like this. Hopefully, I can help some people out, because I be taking a lot of shit apart. So hopefully, we can help each other out, if anything. You know what I mean? But anyways, here's the fix. Y'all stay safe. Suck it easy. Peace.